Okay, so carrying on as we move through chapter 3, um, like I said, I'm not going to really go too deep into this, but we're going to look at the early pioneers of the field of social work, and these people really worked in residential environments and did quite a lot. So Um, you'll see some parallels with some of your professions. I know some people in these classes generally have worked in residential facilities. I myself have, and I still do. Uh, I do work right now in a domestic violence shelter, and I have worked um, in a house with people with disabilities, and so I really have a special place for in my heart for dealing with the residential side of care. Um, you can make great connections and learn a lot about yourself in doing so. And so these people have done that. And as you get through that chapter, you'll see this again. So as I work through the list, module 2, we have I got through the drop boxes, and then here we have the Robert Reich interviews. You don't have to really um, start that right away if you don't want to. You have an extra week after this, but if you do get ahead of yourself, that's great. And all this information can be found not just working your way through the side here, but all the assessments are on Dropbox. You can see what we're working on. You might not have a view of what's coming up. I do have quite a few assignments that you don't get to see yet. And you can go to communications and go to discussion tab and have discussions here. Again, we're going to be weaving. So in module 2, you're going to do your carrying on a discussion for module 1. Then you'll have your initial post here. When we get to module 3, you'll pop back to module 2 for your discussion. And like I said, that will make more sense for you as we go on. And I do know it does seem a little different at the beginning of a class to do this. But if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. I'd love to answer them. I haven't received any emails from any students yet, so I assume that everything is working out just fine. But if you do have any issues or concerns, like I said, I'm here for you, and I can either speak with you over the telephone or we can have an exchange over email, whatever works best. But I want you to have a great week, and I hope you're enjoying the class so far. I know it's still early, so you don't really know what's going on, but we are jumping into the world of social policy, and you should have a basic understanding of what that is at this point. So have a great week and get in touch with me if any questions. Thank you.